Excellency tuli live ne His Excellency Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine mu bitundu ebya Arua era nga President w'eggwanga lyaffe lino Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine yagenze kwetaba mu kuziika okwa mukwano gwaffe okwa maama wa mukwano gwaffe omukyala Rina Zedriga eyafiiriddwako omutabani we bambi. Tusaba omwoyo gw'omugenzi omukama agwe ekyumulo eky'emirembe. Era nga His Excellency Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine ali ne leader of opposition waffe omukulu Honorable Joel Ssenyonyi, ali ne Nubianiri, ali ne deputy president waffe mu bitundu ebya Eastern omukulu John Baptist Nambeshe ne meya waffe omulungi, baganda baffe mikwano gyaffe bwe tutyo bwe tuli present nze Arua Bannaarua ye president bamwaniriza mu ssanyu ery'enjawulo omukwano ogw'amaanyi ate ne mu kwagala okw'enjawulo. Twongera bajjukiza n'okubategeeza nti Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine His Excellency mukama waffe ali mu bitundu ebya Arua era Bannaarua mwebale nnyo okwagala nakwaniriza President Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine. Omukwano guno gwemulaga President tubasaba banange omukwano guno gutambule, omukwano guno guwangaale, temuvanga President waffe temuvaamu era naye tubasuubiza nti ali wamu nammwe tweyanziza.
You have made my morning very comfortable. We are all going there, but how are we going? Who will attend our funeral? What will be preached? That I want to also recognize FIDA. I'm just ending now. FIDA Uganda. My member, FIDA FIDA Uganda is around. I don't also want to be FIDA, isn't it? There's a special group. We are called women, the academic women from West Nile. Dr. Bona and Dr. Yes, those women are doctors. So women from West Nile are West Nile who have studied and achieved PhD. PhD, not pull her down, but the PhD, the doctorate. We have an association. One of the members was in Guyana, Dr. Wanda, was with us in the church. So we have formed a very strong association as the Women Academics of West Nile, such that we encourage all of you, there's nothing to celebrate ourselves. We need to be good examples. So the association members are here. There's a doctor, Dr. David Ronnie. Yes. Our before. I didn't know our before angry. Amasi mambaki mbamba. Ameziki. Sa worosi. Erina. You are not my daughter in love. You are my daughter in love. You are now my daughter. I want to thank you for the wonderful. I know you're a very strong woman. Yes, I know. And we shall stand together. Okay? Yes, it will be lighter, and I promise you we shall be there. Okay? Yes. There's even no need down the other side. You move over. We live together. But we now can put back about Uganda with my wonderful people here. My daughter, another daughter-in-law, that is done. Yes, Mildred has given us a wonderful son. So, yes, that's the mother. Then I have also my grandchildren, Tosha. Where are you? Aiko. Yes. And all this. So I'm a physical, social, biological, religious grandmother. And I thank the Lord for that.
We shall have. Thank you so much. family, when you come to condole with them, as you pray money, so you also pray for the children. We shall have a word of greeting from the LC3. Our main celebrant, the first celebrant here present, our reverend sisters, catechists, Griffin family, President of the National Unity Platform, Leader of Opposition in Parliament, all the MPs present here with you, all the MPs present with you, our district chairman, our district councillor representing
Well, the president is greeting Mama Arina Zedriga. As you've heard, she was speaking to the mourners.
Our mourners.
But briefly, the background is that Mama Arina Zedriga, she's a single mother who have not buried the husband. The husband was kidnapped by this regime of Genome 7 after challenging him in elections. Remember, Dr. Zedriga, the husband of Mama Arina Zedriga, was chief campaigner manager of Dr. Kizza Besigye by then when he was contesting for the presidency. But in that time, there was a lot of tension, so the regime decided to kidnap the husband of Mama Arina Zedriga. So far about the story we have heard, they have so far lost 4 kids, and
in this trying moment. It was not easy if you people were not there and had our friends. So thank you so much. Ma suru tazumukalama alaya le abureta bi.
so the president is still here, and you can see the body of Aaron is lying in front of the mourners, who is going to be buried at 2 p.m. And as I've told you, Mama Arina Zedriga, up to now, in her speech, I've heard her was also concerned about how people are just getting lost and with no answers. So we shall be having other speakers from the leaders. As I've told you, as you've heard, we have our different leaders from different places. Of course, our leader, His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, the President of the Republic of Uganda, who was elected back in 2021 on 14th January, is escorted by the Deputy President in charge of Eastern Uganda, Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe. We've just been informed that he has been in Israel. His mother is also in a critical condition, having the medication. She's on treatment in Italy, in Israel. But he has managed to come and escort. He has booked a flight for Honorable Barry, so you can think about that love of national platform. It's also escorted by the leader of opposition, of course, none other than the Right Honorable General Senyon. Is also escorted by the Honorable MPs, Honorable Katawazi Godfrey from Karungu, the NEC members of National Platform. They are also here. I've seen Pastor Muzi from the sides of Soga. Charge of
Wilfred the LC5 chairman, Terego District Evori, Amasadi, Ilina Muzo, Zozo, Ba, our Wopi di Piera, and Boba Ira. Local people, sometimes when we go that long distance, national unity platform, we get it's interesting. So when we say no, that's the best thing for our people. So allow me to call you President No, the leader of government business, and the leader of opposition, Honorable Senor. I am happy to see you here because yesterday we were together. Somebody might think we are planning for that program. We were together at the invitation of the Danish ambassador as president. I don't know what time you left, but you are sure you will be here traveling at night. I left around 10 p.m. I want to express my happiness that you made it.
So, in time from now, the president will be talking to you. Ajja kuba ayogerako nammwe. President bw'atyo yawerekeddwako abakungu bangi okuli bakansalazi, ndabyeko kansala Alice Nanungi okuva wali Masaka Jjukiro nti y'omu ku batubeeramu nga Geto TV naga nti mugende muweereze. Ndabyeko muganda wange Nibyali wali awo, ndabyeko Ali Kasige nganda mu byennyama, oyo meya we Makindi. N'abalala bangi, abakulembeze bangi abali bano. Ndabyeko PA wa President Mukyala Sarah Muwonge n'abalala bangi. Twagala kwebaza mwena betutambula nabo mu nkola y'okukwasizaako baganda baffe. Muganda wange Godfrey Yombya ono nga ye speaker Mwanakawa we balinyesebo okutambula mu naffe ne Geto TV. Twagala kwebaza mwannyinaffe Grace Kakoza. Balinyesebo okutambula mu naffe.
And we go to Manyangwa. To run after the beautiful ladies there. This is a fact that you didn't know. So today when you spoke about Mike, it quickly got reflected in my mind.
So njagala kuweeza Godfrey Jombya Speaker Wanakawa muganda waffe Habibu Asega okuva wali Erubaga Habibu Wem Habib, yes, muganda waffe twagala kwebaza nnyo. Of course muganda waffe Yusuf Ziwa Mugaga wali mu Makindye Ssaabagabo bo bali nnyo Sibo Yusuf Ziwa Mugaga musajja munabyamizanyo nnyo mu Ssaabagabo we bali nnyo kubatira okutambulamu naawe. Mubaka wa Rubaga South Honorable Elizabeth Mukasa abajjukiza nti mwenna abaagala okugula sipeya bodaboda sipeya w'emmotoka embaawo ennungi genda wali mu Ndeeba. Endeeba esangibwa mu constituency y'e Rubaga ya Rubaga South Singlecho Honorable Elizabeth Mukasa abajjukiza mwenna Bannayuganda abaagala okugula mu bungi embaawo, abaagala okugula sipeya wa piki, sipeya w'emmotoka, abaagala okusuubuza n'okusuubula, abaagala mukamukamu mu bungi mugende wali mu Ndeeba mu constituency y'omubaka Elizabeth Mukasa wali e Rubaga. Nate teewonaawo kasitova nate tegenda wali mu Ndeeba ojja kuba ofuna bulungi nnyo kyeweetaaga nnyo ddala. Mubaka bati bakujjukiza of course tetusobola kwerabira mwene betambula nabo muganda waffe Sabina Foundation, ekitongole kya Sabina Foundation nakyo tutambulamu nakyo Sabina Javiira omusajja nabyanjigiriza ate nga bw'atyo naye balinaga nti yatambulirangamu TV. N'abalala bangi mwena twagala kuweereza abaagala TV abatambulamu naffe bakadde baffe mwena kosi tubeerabira nti One Love Beach kyekifo kyokka okufuna kyeweetaaga. So n'olwekyo onzikirize katono tovaako tukyali mu bitundu ebya Arua saidi zeno Etirigo ewa Mama Reina Zedriga Walu nga tuziika mutabani we Aaron.
His job would not allow him to reside here, but he loved the home here. Okay, where are you? That's the guy who used to come here with from Arua to here. I want to thank this family for investing in the church. This man never talked about it. I have to talk about it myself. I speak as an ex-seminarian. I know and saw what seminarians would get from this home. A number of priests in our diocese got supported by his family. If you come here, you don't see the grofers people now pride in, when in most cases it's out of stolen money. My friend, this family has invested. This family has invested in the church. The priests are known. I attempted to be one of them, but I was chased away. But that's not a burden for the family. And I think I have not lost completely. The siblings, Daniel, Nathan, David, and Amigo. Aaron Didi should bring you closer to one another. I am happy you are one. We used to look to him as a replacement. He has now left the door open. All of you should be replaced. The names I've mentioned, especially Nathan, Daniel, those are my boys. Guy answered to Buganda Road, I was the one. They got a taking them in a taxi, somebody taxi. taking them to school and bringing them home. That time, Buganda Road Primary School was a school. It was not like ours now. You abandon your own children, you surrender your children now in the hands of private investors. There was quality of education that time at least. So the trend we are taking is a downward one. I think that needs us to reverse. I am happy the leader of opposition is with us. Honorable, there are rare opportunities that we get to be together with you. There is a wave in our service delivery now. This thing of returning money at the end of financial year, it is a terrible wave. And I take this opportunity also to inform you, the people of Terego, the last time I checked on Monday, we have 14 billion to be returned. Not because we don't have the capacity, but because the systems are too bureaucratic that you can't move very fast. As I speak, 1.8 billion, which is a candidate for return, has not hit our accounts. How do you expect us to spend money? Honorable leader of opposition, I think we need to amend some laws. Money is to be returned, there should be a separate account opening for returning visitors. Not a consolidated general fund. I suspect something. Why would people be interested in return of money? 1.8 billion. By yesterday evening, we are still checking when it had arrived. It had not arrived. And yet on the 23rd, the last switch will be clicked. If you have not clicked, it will go. How far is 23rd from now? Help us. We need amendments to some of these financial regulating laws to protect us. Pamadi debate I made that Dr. Okuruki. Nimeamreto derema dikili ya rekito muhu. Stali sikia maradi. Isonzilea zuki la kipadi yetia. Damu tulango rangu lipo. Ale tutafe. Honorable woman member of parliament. Honorable Rose Obigas to be here. Unfortunately, she traveled to the US. She sent her condolences, which I will be delivering after this function to the Central Organizing Committee. And I want to thank Mommy for the strength God has given me. That we sit like this to send our brother to give up life. Mas Kichi Masekariari and the Bombo Wale, I didn't know that. At least today I am seeing how I'm happy. The photo, Mama will be